Speaker, sir, before I put my supplementaries, I would like to raise a point of order under Rule 300 and Rule 3637. Now, here the reply to start question 87B. The principal question is the total number of Eclavia Model Residential School and Center of Excellence for Sports that are going to be set up in the whole state. There are two components. But the reply is, sir, 38 numbers. So it does not give clarity for the members of the August House to put on supplementaries. So may I first request the Honorable Minister to give a correct reply in respect of B first, so before I put my supplementary.
Speaker, sir, it is clear, sir. As of now, sir, the EMRS school sanction for the state is 38 number. Sir, but for the Center of Excellence, as we have proposed as of now, 4, but it is we are awaiting the approval of the Government of India, sir. We have not received as of now the approval of the Government of India. But sir, this 38 it is clearly the EMRS school only, sir.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. If the reply is only for EMRS, the reply should have been, sir, 38 numbers for in respect of EMRS only. That will give a clarity. I think, Mr. Speaker, sir, I am only raising this point of order in order to ensure that the ministers look at the principal question properly so that any breakup of reply can be appropriately provided for the House. Now, my supplementary is these 38 numbers of EMRS. When was it sanctioned? The date, the year?
So I don't have exact date with me, sir, but the DPR for approval for all the sum of the has been approved in 2023. So the exact date I don't have with me right now, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, this is another problem. Why I'm asking the date is we have to know when was this sanctioned, because this fund is provided under the constitutional provision of Article 275(1). Whether you spend it for this or other things, you will have the same fund. But the moment you have this and you don't implement, you deprive the state from further getting the fund under the provision of Article 275(1). Therefore, there is a need for the House, in the interest of the state, as to when was this sanctioned and why was there delay. Whether there was a delay or not, we will know only when we know the date of the sanction.
Speaker, sir, at no point of time, sir, that detailed exact date of sanction is not with me, sir. I record notice, sir. But
Mr. Speaker, sir, I don't know how to respond to this type of reply.